Understanding what is CPQ and when does your business need it. SAP Configure, Price and Quote from Acuiti Labs is a cloud solution designed to improve the customer buyer experience and sales order process. As an extension of your CRM system, it helps businesses to create structured, scalable, and more efficient sales processes. By selecting SAP Configure, Price and Quote, you can configure complex product offerings, produce branded quotes and proposals, generate thousands of quote lines in seconds, automate approvals and workflows, easily integrate with other sales tools. SAP CPQ helps your business to save a lot of time, cost, and efforts by accelerating and automating the entire selling cycle. The process is carried out by a robust set of configuration tools that are well fitted in an easy-to-understand user interface. It improves the purchasing experience of your customers by generating customized sales quotes quickly and accurately. It also allows your business to replace the cumbersome manual processes with CPQ's advanced, efficient, and flexible selling process. Now, how do you know that your business should opt for SAP Configure, Price and Quote? You need SAP Configure, Price and Quote if quotes are manually produced and approved, the wrong sales quotes are sent to customers, if your business is using a traditional quoting solution. If your business is encountering any of the above issues with your sales process, this is the perfect time for you to choose and implement Acuiti Labs' most efficient SAP CPQ platform. With SAP Configure, Price and Quote from Acuiti Labs, you can generate complex quotes in minutes, reduce sales cycle times, and deliver an improved experience for customers and sales reps. Acuiti Labs, your sales transformation partner. Contact us for more details today.